I'm gonna punch a hole in the side of my psyche, tear through walls and watch the light pouring, touching place I've only found when I release control. Gonna need you to come down swiftly. The water is rising and I can't seem to place. 1,000 times this story pulled you in.
I never enjoyed the sound of a closing door. The second the lock clicked behind me, I dove on the floor. And I clawed at the woodwork for a brief glimpse of anything. How much time passed me by before I even thought to concede that as hard as I tried, I knew I hadn't changed a thing. Was I to judge her from the crack underneath the door? Embarrassed and shamed, I resolved not to lie there anymore. But then she sat against the door frame and she read aloud to me. And she twisted the words that we'd written to fit her needs. But if we wrote this in pencil, we can erase every line and censor each passage that brings old wounds to mind. But each torn out page will leave a jagged scar along our spines and remind us that in the end, we haven't changed a thing. The good and the bad and the memories exploded in flames. The walls turned to ash, but we sat there and fought for our names. Whatever we meant to write, it was not meant to be. To arsonists, from ink to kerosene, locked up in the attic, we yearned and we burned to be free. And I still hear the echo of her voice from
hypnotized, I don't know why she got me feeling this way. She's got a way about her. She's got a way about her. I'm mesmerized like every night by every word she'll say. She's got a way about her. She's got a way about her. Yeah, she doesn't know that she's got a hold. She's got a certain kind of gravity. She doesn't know that I want her so. And when I see her, I believe in every hunger turning to Nakjo song. She took got me dizzy, head is spinning when she comes around. She's got a way about her, she's got a way about her. Yeah, she's the only thing that keeps me in this lonely town. She's got a way about her, she's got a way about her. Yeah, she doesn't know that she's got a hold. She's got that certain kind of gravity, and she doesn't know that I want her so. And when I see her, I believe in every hunger telling Sinatra song. She took me to the moon and we kept on going, like the whole world stopped for her, but she couldn't care. She got me dancing through the streets like I'm Fred Astaire. Hunger telling Sinatra song. She took me to the moon and we kept on going, like the whole world stopped for her, but she couldn't care.
Close your eyes. Can you feel the ocean swirling round your feet? The ebb and flow of changing tides. Can you smell the coming rain on the breeze? We stand beneath this fiery sky, but the colors will fade and you'll be left with me. Through the falling of the night, will by my side be where you want to be. In the darkness and the downpour from on high. Let's leave behind our heavy burdens and that straight, well-traveled road. Used to pray to Father Time, but I found his wife most often steals the show. A ticking clock can plan our lives, but we can't predict the weather, that much I know. Still thunder's no reason to hide, or I'd have run for higher ground long ago. Let's stay and watch the lightning shred this summer sky. We may be merely players, but that means all the world's our stage. Let me be the risk you take. Let me be the risk that pays. And we'll improvise in this poorly written play. In uncertain times, I'll be next to you with every.
We could talk 그래가지고 야 싫어 두 번에다 다섯을 해봐 하나 더 크게 덧셈 문제 사면이 좋아 자 싫어 얘네가 부르는 거 해봐 똑바로 자 이거는 뜰셈 크게 문제 10 빼기 3 여기서 넷을 빼라고 싫어 자 연에서 넷을 빼기로 자 흰색 통 약통 한번 가자 흰색 약통 하나 자 이번에 자 콜라 한번 가자 캔콜라 가자 가자 감사합니다 우리 대단히 자 수치라는 일이 있는데 야야 그래 자 그림은 이 녀석이 제일 잘 그립니다 우리 또 뭐라 거기로 그렇지 자 우리 오늘 나는 좀 이상해요
Play this record as frequently as possible.
Try to forget, but the thoughts they seem to drown me instead. I've always wondered what it takes to fill this empty void inside. But now I've realized you were what I needed this whole time. I've been around, no one else has got me feeling this way. Every minute, every hour I spend is on you every single day. I've always wondered what it takes to fill this empty void inside. Something about you makes me wanna be with you for a long time. Do ba do be do ba do be do 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 day. Do ba do be do ba do be do 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 day. Do ba do be do ba do be do 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 day. Do ba do be do 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 da 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 da. don't know what I'm feeling, don't know how to keep my thoughts straight. Yeah. You got me second guessing, thinking that I made a mistake. But inside feels so nice. Butterflies, wow, yeah. Got me some type of way with every passing day. Don't let it go to waste. Don't know how much time we have, and it's so hard.
And all I ever wanted was everything, encompassing and burden your mind. I feel the heavy turning and testing now. I still feel your leg wrapped around my side. It seems sewn and threaded well by hands unseen. I wish that I could show you how. The sun is setting, so you reach for your phone. You need to see yourself in good light.
She's not too accepting, but I hope to be her one exception someday. But someday seems so far away. Yeah, I'm just in atmosphere, heartbroken. You never know, 'cause you never know I'm here as she basks in our thunderous cheers. When it is getting harder to mask these feelings that I harbor for her, 'cause she's just out of reach, even when she's right in front of me. And on the days when she's miles away, I can still see her face. I guess I'm a ghost and she is a dream, the most beautiful thing I've seen. And she's just out of reach, she's just out of reach. Oh, my heart's in a cast, but it's a terrible